2002 National Electrical Code, or NEC, required a 100% demand load for both compressors and air handlers when performing service load calculations. However, the 2005 NEC revised this requirement. According to the 2005 NEC, specifically Section 220.82C4, you can calculate a 100% demand load for the compressor and a 65% demand load for the air handler. This change was implemented because air handlers and heat pumps generally do not operate continuously at their full load capacity. Section 220.82C4 addresses the calculation for dwelling units. It provides alternative methods for calculating feeder and service loads. This section allows for a more accurate assessment of the actual load demand, especially in residential settings where diversity in appliance usage is common. The specific provision in 220.82C4 that pertains to HVAC systems is crucial for understanding the revised approach. It differentiates between compressors and air handlers in terms of demand factors. The 100% demand factor for compressors reflects their consistent high-power operation, while the 65% demand factor for air handlers acknowledges their intermittent or variable operation. A definition of a continuous load is also vital in this context. A continuous load is defined as any load where the maximum current is expected to continue for 3 hours or more. Examples of continuous loads include motors, heaters, and lighting. This definition helps clarify which loads should be subject to the specific demand factors outlined in 220.82C4. When performing service load calculations, it is essential to accurately identify and categorize continuous loads. The correct application of demand factors can significantly impact the overall load calculation, affecting the sizing of electrical service equipment and ensuring the safety and efficiency of the electrical system. Firstly, one must identify all continuous loads within the dwelling unit. Secondly, determine whether these loads are associated with compressors or air handlers. Thirdly, apply the appropriate demand factors as specified in 220.82C4, that is, 100% for compressors and 65% for air handlers. By following these steps, electrical professionals can ensure compliance with the 2005 NEC and accurately calculate the service load for residential dwelling units. The impact of these changes on service load calculations is noteworthy. The 2005 NEC revisions allow for a more realistic assessment of actual load demand. The reduction in demand load calculation for air handlers from 100% to 65% can result in a lower overall calculated load, potentially reducing the size and cost of service equipment. However, it is imperative to apply these revised calculations only when adhering to the 2005 NEC. In summary, the 2005 NEC provides a revised approach to demand load calculations for HVAC systems and dwelling units, as outlined in Section 220.82C4. This revision allows for a 100% demand load calculation for compressors and a 65% demand load calculation for air handlers, reflecting the operational characteristics of these components. Understanding and correctly applying these demand factors is crucial for accurate service load calculations and compliance with the NEC.